Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, another fix-it video here for you. Real quick one. It's gonna rain out here. Gotta get her done. Alright, I'm having light trouble on the Jeep. And I just fixed it, but I wanted to show you. First of all, you're gonna need that part number. The dorman. Hang on. Sorry about the shaky cam. My hands are frozen. Come on. Real organized, I know. Alright, there it is. Oops. It's a dorman. It's for a GM. But this is putting it on the Jeep and it seems to fit the sockets. But it's a dorman 85830. And it fits perfectly right there. And for your color code, you got a yellow, a black, and a brown. Okay, black is ground. On your Jeep, black is ground. The blue wire coming out of your body goes to the brown wire on the socket. The brown wire coming out of your body goes to the yellow wire in your socket. I wanted to hook the brown to the brown, but it doesn't. Brown goes to yellow, black goes to black, blue goes to brown, and it works perfectly. That fixed our problems, guys. No problem. Alright, that's what you need for your old Jeep if you're having light trouble on the front. We had, I don't know where the old one went. There's the old one. It's no good no more. I think it had a bad ground in it. That's got a constant ground. This one had a ground that come out the front right here and it was all jinked. There we is, guys. Take it easy. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.